Annyeong, this is Sunny, your Korean study buddy. In this video, I will explain the meaning of the foreshadowing in the famous Korean TV show, The Glory, that only Korean speakers can understand. Throughout the video, you will learn related Korean expressions as well. Let's get started. In the first episode of The Glory, Yeonjin and her friends were investigated by the police due to the bullying they were doing to another student in their school, Dong-eun. Unfortunately, the perpetrators' parents are rich and powerful enough to relieve their kids of punishment. All the bullies ended up going home. After this situation, Yeonjin's mother told her, "You've heard what the shaman warned you." She said that you must not hang out with people who have the Korean consonant iing in their names like Haejang or Myung-woo. People with iing in their names will bring your life evil spirit and bad luck. The Korean consonant iing represents the foreshadowing of Yeonjin's future. Interestingly, almost all people around her have iing in their names. All of those people have a bad influence on Yeonjin's life. Here are their names. Moon Dong-eun, the victim of bullying, avenges Yeonjin. Kim Kyung-lan is another victim of bullying. She works in Chejun's clothing shop and works for Yeonjin as a makeup artist. Chu Yeo-jung is a doctor and helps Dong-eun achieve revenge. Choi Hae-jung and Son Myung-woo are Yeonjin's friends. Most surprisingly, Yeonjin's mother's name is Hong Young-ae. Now it is time to learn of Korean expressions used in The Glory. The first expression is 학교 폭력, meaning school violence. It is consisted of 학교, meaning school, and 폭력, meaning violence. Sometimes we shorten 학교 폭력 to 학폭. Our second word is perpetrator, meaning 가해자, and the last one is 피해자, meaning victim. Putting these three expressions together, we can make a sentence. For example, you can say 연진은 학교 폭력 가해자입니다, meaning Yeonjin is a school violence perpetrator. And 동은은 학교 폭력 피해자입니다, meaning Dong-eun is a victim of school violence. In this sentence, 은 following a person's name is the topic marker. A topic marker shows that the noun it's attached to is the main topic of the sentence. 입니다 means is. That marks the end of today's video. If you have found this video interesting, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. 안녕!